I'm an impressionist, expressionist, hyper-realism and realistic artist of this present generation. Some do this kind of art in 500,000, 1 million or above. So it depends on what you decided with the person.
You're gonna make money with art.
Yeah, you keep keeping food on your table when you know what you are doing in art. Actually, you'll be feeding from it.
Hello everyone, welcome to another one. Today I want to bring something amazing to you. Yeah, we all know that art is a means of expression, but do you know that art is also a means of livelihood to so many people? I guess you don't know. Art is not just for fun. Art is a business. So today I'm going to introduce to you a wonderful artist that is making so much out of art. He is a professional. He's going to tell us so many things about art. Just stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Hello everyone, this is JaRule Arts that we are bringing to you. He is a big time professional artist and he's going to tell us so many things about art and about this particular amazing artwork he's just done, he's just finished. So JaRule Arts, thank you for having us today.
Nice one. Thank you for being here with me. I'm delighted to have you here.
So
I'm JaRule. I'm an impressionist, expressionist, hyper-realism and realistic artist of this present generation. I'm a practicing painter. I graduated as a painter too. So basically, I'm an artist. I'm a professional artist. So this particular artwork you are seeing here is realism. We call it realism. It's not hyper-realism. It's just like normal drawing, but with the clear details. Yeah.
so this particular artwork now, is it, did you just draw it or was it a contract for someone?
Yeah. Someone, a guy called me for this. I was commissioned this work, and it's going outside beyond this country. It's going outside this country. It's a self-portrait of one of a foreigner. So I was given the contract by a colleague.
So you are saying that this particular work was ordered by someone in overseas. Do you normally get jobs from overseas?
Yeah, someone gave me this work from this country. Yeah, someone gave me this work from this country. I was commissioned this work from here, but it's going outside this country. Like the person want to surprise this person
Okay.
outside this country. So
Wow.
I don't know anything about it. They just commissioned me the work. So my work is just to do and deliver.
Wow.
That's
So
what I do.
is that how much people appreciate art to the extent that they order for artwork for someone outside the country?
Yeah, yeah. I would just say that some people in this country values this, and why some people, like in my locality, Anambra State, Nnewi precisely, some persons here I don't think that they have that value for the artwork, because artists around my vicinity have not driven the amount to the type of artwork they would like to be perceiving or to be like to be seeing. Understand? Most of them are pencil artists. Most of them are not painters. They are not practicing painting like most of their works. Like, when someone sees the type of work you do, and when someone sees, like, maybe he moves outside the state, places like Lagos, and sees some kind of work there, when he comes down to his own side, expecting to see some kind of work like that, see, like most of people in Anambra State are telling me that they don't used to get commission work, or it's that too no. This is because they have not seen, people outside they have not seen the artists that will give them exactly what they want.
What they want.
In this our vicinity.
That's quality.
Art sells. Like art says, it gives money. Just that some people, some artists are lazy. They have not gone beyond.
They have not, like, they don't want to improve their art.
Yes, they don't want to improve their
craft
skills in this type of art. Yeah, exactly what I'm saying. Yeah.
So, but what are you doing about it now? Are you intending to kind of set up an academy or a kind of tutor to tutor those people to bring up their art?
Yeah, I came back December. I wasn't here for a very long time, but when I met most of my friends, most of them are artists around this vicinity, they started giving me their own opinion and how they were being overshadowed, or like they are not being ignited in this field of art because of they are not getting commission work from people outside or within. And I'll tell them that is because they have not bent down, they have not settled themselves down to learn art.
Learn art.
Yes, they need to practicalize it. They need to keep practicing. They say practice that they say
makes perfect.
Makes perfect.
Of course.
This particular art you see me do today, I wasn't an artist before. I graduated as a science student back then in school. But
secondary school.
Yes, back then in school, because of the passion of it. Then I used to do practicals, project for my colleagues who are
Even without
yes,
anybody teaching you.
yes. I just do it for doing sake. My elder brother is the only person I know that can draw them. But because of what, those days I used to, as a childhood, well, I would just call it my childhood because of my elder brother. But because of that, along the line, he started taxing me like, you will give me this, you will give me that. We are still young then. You have to give me meat, you have to give me this kind of thing so that I will do your assignment for you. Along the line, I say, no, stop doing it for me. I have to do it myself.
Yourself.
So that's how I start practicing. Then my drawing was not good, it wasn't nice.
But how did you not get to improve?
I get improved because I start doing it frequently, like steady, like I say, practice. You keep doing it day after day. You don't give up. Like you keep doing it.
Did you study art in school?
Then in secondary school I didn't. But along the lines, what makes me to go into art fully is because then in my SS2, I still recall back then, there was a one act competition that came up. I was in science class then. So it has to be an art student work to do those, to engage in such exhibition and competition. I just say no. I would like to engage
part of
myself.
it.
Like I would like to feel among. But most those days in secondary school, most of them used to think that I'm doing more than I can, like oversabi. They used to call it oversabi those days in school. You leave
Your science.
your science
To come and engage in what our students are doing.
But yeah. So I used to hide some most of my works. I would do it at home. I don't want them to see because they start practicing, like they start doing some kind of things that I don't like engaging themselves in kind of discussion that sometimes someone will come and tell me that they are saying something about me and my back. But I keep doing it. Do you know that when I did myself in the competition, they didn't know. I submitted it to my form miss. She's the one that registered me, and the work was sent outside the school because it was SEED International Art Competition back then in school. So, but after SS2, I have to leave the school because of what they are now keeping malice with me. Like those art students, they were like, "You science students don't want to give up. You science students used to collect our work, and then you do work. They will give you some kind of money, some kind of money. You realize money while doing students project for them." So they'll be like, hey, this guy is collecting our work, so I have to leave the school for another school. So, but then I have submitted I have submitted my art for the competition. I now left the school. So after some months, they start looking for me in the school. Some people come to me and say, your principal is looking for you. They're looking for you. And so I was like, did I do something wrong? So I now moved to my school to know why they are calling me. The good news about everything is that I won the competition. I came second in Nigeria. So, and I was given a gift in Lagos. So moved from flight in Asaba to Lagos. So that's what ignited me in like moving into this art. That's what brought about the passion aspect of it.
So that was why you now decided to go into art, like go to the higher institution and study art.
Yes, full time.
So which course did you actually study?
Art and design. Art and industrial design is my course.
Wow. So this type of art now, seeing it, very magnificent, amazing, outstanding. What does it cost to make this kind of artwork?
Artwork don't have fixed price. It depends on what you decided with the person. Some artists I know, some professional artists I know do, like they used to do this kind of work above millions or below millions. It depends on, some do this kind of artwork in 500,000, 1 million or above. So it depends on what you decided with the person. You don't have fixed price.
Wow, you mean that so by just making just this art now, you have bagged like 500,000 or even 1 million or even more.
Yeah.
Wow, that's quite amazing. It's quite amazing for people to know that art pays. Art is not just a medium of expression or just passion. Art is actually a business. That's when you know what you are doing. When your craft is on the high end, you're gonna make money with art.
Yeah, you keep keeping food on your table. When you know what you are doing in art, actually you'll be feeding from it. Wow. So I'm advising artists outside there to focus on what they are doing. If you are an artist and maybe you don't know how to do, keep practicing. On a very good day, you'll be like me.
Of course.
On a very good day, you'll be like me. I don't know it all. I'm still learning as an artist.
Of course. Nobody knows it all.
My drawing this year might not be the same the following year. So I keep learning every day. So learning never ends.
Of course.
That's it.
So thank you so much, JaRule Arts. We appreciate the time we have spent here with you and teaching us about art. It's so amazing to learn one or two things as a novice in art. You know, I've grabbed one or two things now. I'm going back home. Maybe I will now decide to come and join art now. Of course,
no,
now.
no. You can't join it because you cannot do it since you don't know how to do it. You can't
I
do it.
might,
That's
I might
why-
start learning now. I might come and learn
can't-
from you.
You can't learn art. I just tell you the truth.
Okay,
You can't
one.
learn it.
Are you saying that one cannot learn art?
You can't learn it.
It must be in you.
It must be you must have it in
You
you.
must have it.
So when someone coaches you, when someone teaches you art, that's what brings out that the best. Like you cannot just maybe you don't know how to do it. Someone now tell you, I want to teach you art, you now start learning it. You can't learn it.
Wow. So guys, I've heard it that
can't
if
learn
you don't have it as a talent, you can't have it.
You can't learn it.
So that's just
It's
art.
unique.
So thank you guys for watching this amazing episode.